Hello everyone, this is Natalia from Autism and Exceptional Learner Elements, and I just wanted to review the latest product that I just created for you guys, especially with the back to school. I know we're all prepping for meet and greet and open house, so I wanted to show you guys what I have. So I don't know about you guys, but I absolutely love these boho theme rainbows, so I decided to create the entire theme with that particular rainbow in mind, making it very pastel, very light, very welcoming, and cute. So the first thing you get in our package is you do get a meet and greet cover. So if you're creating a folder, you can definitely use this. You will also get a meet and greet sign so you can gather your students' family information. And this is great as you're setting up your contact list and just establishing a quick number without having to look through all those emergency contacts, which is filled with information. I also did an open house cover, so same thing. Depending on your school, you may have both, you may only have one. So this is the cover to put on your folder of, paperwork that maybe the family needs to take home, and of course another open house sign in. I always like to put as I'm getting to know the families, and normally I use this in meet and greet just so I can get a quick information for day one of school, is have your parents fill this out real quick about your child, their name, their favorite color, candy, snack, fidget, show, cartoon, and if they have any allergies, what is it, or if there's anything else they like to share. It's just a super quick information just to kind of get you started on day one. I also created a welcome banner so you can, cut this out, laminate it, put it on a poster and your bulletin board and your front board, however you want to do. But it's super cute and it goes along with the theme. For some of you guys, you're going to be doing conference reminders. So I created a conference reminder form that you can just cut out in half and send those home. And then, of course, we always have to have a cute little gift for our kids. So again, going along with the theme, I did this particular, and let me just show you up close. I'm over the rainbow to have you in my class this year. Then you're not only just getting that, but I'm going to show you the other things. I actually have 2 PowerPoints that have editable forms that you can do and flyers and things to also incorporate within Meet the Teacher or Meet and Greet or your open house. So I gave you an example of what mine look like, but this is yours. You can add your own picture, and you can't really fix the back, but you can just edit this particular. So you just click on it and you'll be able to edit the text. I always like to provide schedules for my classes. So here is, a sample one, but just click on it and you're able to switch out all the information. And if you need to add anything, you could just go into table design. Table layout, and then just go ahead and insert below and you can add a box. Then is the supply list. So again, whatever is relevant to your classroom, you can make this list here. And of course, we always have a wish list as a teacher. So I did give you a wish list paper so you can have as well going along with the theme. The next thing that I wanted to share with you guys is this particular quick information. So a lot of times for the first day of school, some parents do a different dismissal procedure. So I just wanted to give them a quick information as they sign in as well to just give me. And if you don't want to use the quick information, you could just do it here. Or if you want to revise this, it's also editable. So it's up to you what you want to put. But I normally used to ask this right off the bat because it was super important to identify how they're getting home on the first day. And then your conference reminder, which you already guys have, your conference sign up form. So this is also editable. So you guys can switch out however you want to do it. Some people do the dates here, and I used to have conferences in the morning and PM, but if you have different formats, go ahead and set it up. Maybe you want to put the time on this column instead, and maybe you do a back-to-back day if you have a teacher planning day. Again, I'm not sure what your format is, but these are for you to switch out. So these are what I called my vertical editable forms. I also created for you guys a horizontal one. So there's a couple of different things. You have your welcome sign to put by your door based on the theme. You can do an open house reminder. So if you want to share this, if school already started and you're having it a little bit forward in the name. So here's your text box. You can edit this. You actually can't edit, but you can move it around. It's fixed, but the text box is there and your teacher name to sign. And then I just gave you some other cute little things that you can just write reminders. If you have reminders throughout the year, you can go ahead and have this. And then you can make your own. So if you have some of these, you can also do that as well. So again, you have 2 formats, is your horizontal and your vertical. And just so you guys remember, please please don't forget to follow us on Facebook, www.facebook.com/autismelements. We do have 2 stores, so I recommend you guys follow both of our stores because we both share, Alicia and I, different things that might benefit you in the class. But here's some other resources that you can definitely check out as you're getting in the back to school mode and setting up for your classroom. We do have an ebook if you have a self-contained book explaining how to do the different steps, 5 steps to actually set up your classroom. I have a digital welcome back presentation, which you can use for open house, and I will be publishing a couple more in my TPT store, so be on the lookout for those. I have About Me interactive notebook, a classroom layout tool. One that has been a really big hit is my basic skills inventory assessment, and this is a great way to, if you have your primary level students, this is phenomenal. Like, it gives you your basics. You definitely want to check that out. If you're in the older population, such as your intermediate or your secondary level schools, this is what I recommend. This is a great tool for your kids who are very complex. So if you just want to get a baseline on very basic skills these children have, there's a lot of expressive and receptive tools in there, fine motor like assessments just to kind of see where they're at with their fine motor skills, and just your basic level. It's a great tool to have. I also have student visuals. In my store, you can also find some checklist written visuals. We have classroom job visuals, IEP organizers, data sheets. If you check out Alicia, she has phenomenal behavioral tools as well, and some other themes as well that we do. And we do have a lot of digital themes if you guys want to incorporate that for the entire year, as a matter of fact. So definitely check out our stores. I really hope that this open house and meet and greet tool is super useful to you guys, and it was such a blast and so cute to make. So thank you guys and have a wonderful time.